Today I'm actually going to be putting this on and maybe my Canards. And I still haven't decided when I will be installing the NRG steering wheel, which is right here. The NRG steering wheel. Hold up. Look at that. Like a rainbow color with my shift knob right there. Looks pretty nice. It's a nice setup, but not sure if it can be installed. I mean, it's whatever's. NRG steering wheel probably not gonna go on. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe I'll just keep it, cause just found out that one of the bolts is actually stripped, so this is actually not gonna go onto the car. I might put it on my future car then, because I'm not. This is just like a car that I use daily, so I'm really wouldn't use it like actually really mod it. And plus I'm not allowed to, because my parents, they just say like, it's a car, just drive the car. It's not for like any other purpose, basically. I kind of understand that, but me and my friends, we just want to do stuff to our car, because kind of want to make it look good and want to go faster, but like, it's whatever. So I changed my mind. I'm just going to do the Canards. I don't know. I don't know what to think. Looks kind of dumb. I mean, up front it looks pretty decent, but when you get to the side, it's damn. I don't know. Ricey? I think a little bit. Well, I'm just going to do it on the other side, and I'll run it for a little bit and see how it is. It looks so stupid up close. I'm not gonna lie. So stupid. From afar, I wouldn't say it's bad. Yeah, from afar, it doesn't. Yeah, from afar, it doesn't look that bad. If it was like real Canards, but like, this is just fake. I'm probably just gonna run this for like 1 or 2 days, and then I'm just gonna get rid of it. And I'm not gonna be installing the lip, because, well, I know it's really ricey, so I don't see a point just putting the lip on with the Sparkle tow hook thing and the Canards. That Canards is gonna it's gonna be gone real soon though, so it's whatever. It's all good fun. I race out my car just for fun. Doesn't look that bad, but it's gonna go off soon, sooner or later. After I take a couple shots with it, I'm gonna go take some photos of it before I actually get rid of it. Because, hey, look, it looks ricey. And again, I'm a ricey person. Anyway, that's all for this video. That's all for this video. I guess until I decide what I'm gonna be doing to any other cars. Oh, I do know, like, I would be helping Hosea with his sponsor. Hey, I'll let you guys find out in the next video, which is whenever I upload. Anyway, this is all for the video. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is whenever. So, peace out.